Hey there. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to highlight text in a video using a Magnify effect in Premiere Pro. Perfect for showcasing small text, like this newspaper article right here. First, import your video and drag it onto the timeline, and copy this. Next, go over to Effects and type Magnify in the search bar. You'll see it pop up under Video Effects. Once you've added the effect upper layer in the timeline, now go to Effect Controls. You'll see options to adjust the size, shape, and position of the magnifier. Let's make it pop. Increase the magnification setting to zoom in on that area, then adjust feathering for a smooth, rounded look. Go to the center stopwatch icon to create keyframes and change the value to highlight the part you want to show your audience. And just like that, you've highlighted the important part of the text, perfect for guiding viewers' attention. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like this.